Struggling to get your YouTube channel noticed when you have 0 followers. It feels like you're shouting into the void, right? Well, don't give up just yet. I'm going to share some game-changing strategies that will get your videos seen, even when you're starting from scratch. First, stop trying to go viral. I know it sounds counterintuitive. Instead, focus on creating searchable content. Think about what people are actively looking for on YouTube. Use tools like Google Trends or TubeBuddy to find topics with high search volume but lower competition. For example, instead of making a video titled "My Trip to Japan," try something more specific, like "Best Budget Eats in Tokyo for under $10. This way, you're not competing with giant travel vloggers. You're helping someone solve a specific problem. Next, master your titles and thumbnails. These are your digital billboards. Your thumbnail needs to be bright, clear, and intriguing. Use bold text and expressive faces if it fits your style. Your title should be a perfect match for what people are searching for. Combine a keyword-rich phrase with a hook that creates curiosity. For instance, how to bake sourdough bread becomes the easiest no-knead sourdough recipe for beginners. See the difference? One is generic. The other promises a simple solution. Finally, engage with communities that already exist. Don't just spam your links. Find relevant subreddits, Facebook groups, or forums where your target audience hangs out. Participate genuinely in conversations. If someone asks a question that your video answers perfectly, you can share it as a helpful resource. The key is to provide value first. You're not just a creator. You're a member of the community. Building a channel from 0 is a marathon, not a sprint. By focusing on searchable content, creating irresistible titles and thumbnails, and engaging with existing communities, you'll start to see those first views. Then subscribers start to roll in. It's all about being strategic and patient. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button for more strategies to grow your channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.